Okay, so we'll start this video. I was watching some Hot Wheels videos on YouTube the other day, and they were talking about ordering Hot Wheels from Kroger. So I hopped on there, and it's a thing. I had no idea. So let's go ahead and open this box. This is how it came in, this big box right here. I didn't remove the labeling and addressing. So let me cut this thing open and see what we got inside. I have cut the tape, but before I open this box, I have a question. For anybody out there, feel free to drop it in the comments. Kroger is, and along with all these other places, must be tied all into one parent company. Right there, Fry's. Why does Fry's get a boatload of Hot Wheels, shippers and all this, and Kroger gets zero, at least in our area? Anybody knows, let me know. Just drop a comment. Let's go ahead and open this and see what we got inside. This is how, if anybody hasn't done it, when you order a box of Hot Wheels from Kroger, this is what you get. Right down there. I don't remember what the count was on this box. One case Hot Wheels. I'm as surprised as you are. I don't know what we're looking at here. Let me put the phone down and get us a way to open this up. As you can tell, they padded it well. All this cushion right here, there was no way the box was damaged. Just in perfect condition. Let's see here. Alright, right there's the letters. Any bets or any way to tell what this is inside? I don't know if they're short cards, long cards. I just ordered it. Don't even know the quantity. It says contains one case pack. So, let's cut this open. Okay, so I guess we're going to do this video in reverse. I took the initial opening before I was cutting the boxes open there, and then didn't realize that my camera wasn't recording here. So let's go ahead and do this in reverse. I didn't know what's in here, so I'll just put it back in the box and show you as I go. So as you can see sitting here, we got the Ford Focus RS. We got a Let's Go. Let me get these up where you can see them better. This is a little awkward doing it this way. A Let's Go and a Mclaren F1. I don't have the Focus, and I really don't like the other two. So this box is a little bit of a letdown, but we're going to go through it anyway. We got a Ford Focus, another Ford Focus. We got the recolor of the Big Air Bel Air and the GT fantasy car. And like I stated in the part that didn't record, I'm not a fan of fantasy cars. I don't like them. Hot Wheels, please do something. We got a Cosmic Coupe. We got this, whatever that is, and I don't care much for that. Sorry for not naming some of these names. One, I can't pronounce them, some of them, and I just don't really care for them. We got the Lethal Diesel. It's kind of okay. And we got the Coupe Clip. I do not have a Coupe Clip, so I'm going to probably end up keeping it. We got a classic TV series tuned Batmobile. Okay, that's pretty neat. I got one or two, but we'll probably keep that one. What I don't keep, I'll either trade or throw in the box for my grandson. He's just 18 months, so he gets one out every now and then and gets to open it out of this collection. Then got the Nash, the Lolux. Done got those for my collection. Done got these McLaren F1 GTR and the Nissan Leaf in a recolor. I've got a black one here, obviously, and I've got a red one. I'll probably keep that, so I'll have it in a recolor. I've got another Bone Shaker. These I keep about every one I get a hold of for trades or for, you know, I kind of like that casting. Raging Express, I don't like any version of that, just not my type thing. I know those do exist in Japan. That's not necessarily a fantasy vehicle. Please God, the Donut Drifter. Can y'all quit making stuff like this? Got a Toyota Sprinter. I mean, who wants a donut with wheels? We got a couple of the Dodge Darts in the Art Series. We got the Liberty Walk Silhouette Nissan Silvia. I do have a couple of those. Really like that casting, so I'll probably keep it. I want a couple for changing the tires and all on. We got a 91 Mazda Miata. We've got a McLaren F1 GTR, kind of like this car. I'm not into those type cars, but that is a real vehicle, and I like the casting. It does look good, so I'll probably keep it. Throw some more up here. We've got, here's some that I do like. We got a yellow Mazda S2000. We got a Mazda RX-7. This one I already have 2 or 3 of. A Subaru WRX STI. I do like my Subarus, but yeah, you know, that one just don't really impress me. We got a 2020 trash can. I mean Corvette. Not a vet fan either, real life. We got an Aston Martin. I'll probably keep that just so I can say I got it in my collection. We got another Nissan Leaf Nismo in a recolor black. Now to the ones that I do like. Out of the whole, this is all I really like out of the whole box. A tuned 83 Chevrolet. We did get a treasure hunt, not a super. We got a treasure hunt, and probably my very least favorite of all of them, the Driftinator. I'll throw that in on trades or throw it in a box for somebody I sell to. One of my favorite vehicles they've got in this series, the 70 Chevelle Wagon. Really like that one. This, I do not like the the color on it, but a 69 Chevrolet stepside, that will get some sort of wheel change and a paint job. And to me, the best vehicle in the entire box, one of my other videos shows a friend of mine has changed the tires and wheels on it for me, but the 83 Chevrolet Silverado. One of the best castings I think they made. The color choice could have been a little better, but anyway, that's it. Watch me drop it and tear it all to pieces. Anyway, that's it, folks, for the Kroger box. 30-some cars, 36 I believe they was. I showed you the packaging and stuff it come in. I've got a few more here. Let me show you that I picked up at a when I went and hit the pegs this afternoon. Hold on. Alright, first off, I'm going to lead off with this. One of my friends picked this up for me. It is a M2 Machines. It's a 79 Chevrolet Scottsdale with the rack and all that. I don't know if I'll just open this one and put the wheels on, assemble it, or just leave it in the pack. I really like that. Most of the time I don't open them, but I'm thinking about building that one. And then this one he picked up for me. The 73 GMC Sierra with the rag top, the surfboard, Coca-Cola theme. Really like this highly detailed M2. Yeah, those I got from him along with a couple others I'll show you in a minute. But this is some of the stuff, and I'm sorry I don't have any peg hunting videos. The local Walmarts have the store cranked up like they're trying to have a concert in there, so you can't film anything for copyright. But anyway, the 79 Lamborghini. This is from the M case. I didn't have this, so I picked that up. Ain't one of my favorite ones, but you know. The Honda S2000, another color on it. We got a yellow one now and a red one, so that's good. This one here, the 68 El Camino. I like it. I just went ahead and got it. I ain't crazy about the paint, but I want it in my collection. Got the blue on the Leaf. I told you a while ago that I had it, so there it is. Not a fan of the, I guess the electric vehicles, but anyway, good looking little ride. The Nissan Z Proto in white. Good looking casting. Some of these I'll get multiple of, and some of them I just one will do me. The Cruise Bruiser. It's set up like pardon me, it's set up like a gasser. I got some gasser drag videos from a local track. Matter of fact, that's coming up this month, so stay tuned for that. It's set up like a gasser, so I liked it. We got the burgundy or red or whatever color you want to call it, purple, the Mazda RX-7. And finally, found the Dodge Challenger drift car. I picked up a couple of those while I was at it. Let me put the camera down. I got 2 or 3 more to show you. This one here, I had him pick it up for me because it had the 65 Ford Mustang in the drag car. They're really starting to step it up on their castings, so I'll give them a few dollars. I really like that. And I told you a while ago, I'm pretty well a fan of the square body stuff, so he found me this Spam hauler. It's a 68 Chevrolet C60 truck and a 79 Chevrolet Silverado stepside. So there that is. The box is a little messed up, but I told him I didn't worry about that. Display it, I'm going to take that off and throw it away anyway. So really good looking castings here. Once again, M2, they just do an awesome job on their castings. If for some reason anybody out there hasn't picked up an M2, you need to. Just pick it up and look at it. You'll become a fan. And last but certainly not least, I was watching the Mustang Hunters videos the other day, and you can already see the corner of it there. He showed that he had found this, and I was like, wow, I really would like to find one of those. And lo and behold, I stepped into a Walmart tonight, and there the thing hung. They had 3 of them, so I purchased one of them. I don't like the convertible. I'm not a convertible fan, but nevertheless, I'll leave this pack intact. I don't care for ever casting in it, but this one right here and this one right here is really, well, the Fox body ain't too bad, but these two here, the 2 bottom ones, just really caught my eye. Anyway, Ford Mustang, I don't know what series this is or whatever, obviously this year, but there's what all's in the pack. The concept car I don't care nothing about, and a convertible, but hey, it's in there. I got it. And that'll about do it for this video. Y'all have a great day. God bless, and we will see you on the next one. Okay, we're in overtime here. I'm sorry. I'm back. I couldn't end the video yet. I sat and looked at this thing. I'm like, you know what? I'm putting it together. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all are here with me. I've got the box cut open. This is the first. I have yet to open one of these, so here we go. I don't know what I'm faced with here. It's on some kind of a, unfortunately I don't have a bipod. One second. Okay, so there's choices and decisions to be made. It has no motor, but the first thing we're going to have to do, if you haven't assembled one of those, is take those screws out and get this body off of here. So we're going to do that. Okay, there sits the body, and according to here, we're going to have to install the engine of choice, but it looks like we're going to have to take a couple more screws out, them being right somewhere right there and right back there to get the thing apart. So there's 3 of them actually. Bad lighting. There we go. 3 screws. Motor's installed. Let's see if we can get some tires, wheels, axles put together and roll this thing right along. Alright, a few minutes later, several minutes later, there it is. And for any of you all that know me in real life, I am not a fan of the staggered wheel and tire setup. I realize there's a reason for it, drag racing stuff, but I prefer, come on focus, I prefer the same size. Anyway, there it is. I went ahead and assembled it. I'm going to set it up probably on a stand. I'm going to set it up probably on its stand and display it, because probably won't be rolling this thing around. Put the screws back in the stand where it'll sit there. Anyway, I couldn't help it. I had to put it together. I'd looked at it. I preferred those wheels over the black ones. I wish I could get the wide tires in the front. It may not look exactly right, but anyway, that's my first M2 I've put together on a lift like that. I had to add that on the end of the video. Thank you all for watching once again. Have a great day. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.